Hi, Sahana. I'm going to give you some feedback on your student portfolio. And so let's take a look. So I'm just going to go over the whole thing. So you've given yourself an A here. You've given yourself an A plus explanation. You have the Gen A activity. You've given a very detailed explanation, so that's good. You have your personal project, which is over here, and it's creating an engagement newsletter, and that's a very solid update. And you've got your outputs, which is fantastic. This is all, I agree, A quality work. And then let's see. Yeah, you've got a link to the personal project. I think that's just, yeah, that's the plan. So that's great. And you've got a very solid reflection. You put two inputs. That's a solid A to A plus entry for week one. And you've got an A here, and you've also wow, you put in a lot there. You got your Gen AI activity, but yes, this is what's missing here. So you are missing the actual outputted document, right? You were supposed to produce, um, in this case, I believe, a summary of information literacy, and I don't see that. Now, I'm wondering here if you're trying to use this, but I don't think that's going to work. No, you can't give me a notebook link. You have to put it into a Google Doc, and then your summary, adjust it, and then submit it. A very good reflection here. Top notch. You've given what you outputted here, and you got your individual contributions and two more. So that's great. Um, so yeah, and it looks like I've given you feedback. I'm guessing you've adjusted here. That's a very solid justification. Aha, we do have the output activity here, which is perfect. Get the instructions. Just want to see. I'm just taking a look at that. Yep. So that's all good. You've got a very solid reflection. So rinse and repeat here. You're doing it all very, very well. You've done your project here and extremely, it's really detailed. I appreciate that. You have your contributions here, and then you did an evaluation, which is excellent. Honestly, this is A plus work. It's not just A. You've missed the one thing there, but really, this is solid A to A plus work. And then what is this one? Oh, okay. You've given your description here, and again, giving yourself an A. You've got the activity, which I believe, yeah, that's not going to work. You have to actually download the video there. So you're missing video. You have to download it and then give me a link to it. I cannot get to that notebook activity. Even if I copy it, and I'm going to try over here in the side here of my own personal version, for some reason, I don't, yeah, I need access or switch to an account. It's interesting. So sharing is an interesting thing. And I don't know if you need a paid version to share. Um, Interesting. I don't know. Anyway, you do have a good reflection here. Very good reflection. You're working. I can see your reflections, but I would have asked for links to the actual project, but you have it over here, so that's fine. And that's the progress there. You can have in the good in-class contributions. We don't have to do the community contributions, so that's fine. So this is very consistent. You have a deep learning document and you're looking at it and got it, and you've given your ratings, which is good. Uh, and then what do we have here? Oh yeah, okay. Giving, yeah, it's very, wow. Okay, you've really made a strong effort here. That's super impressive. And um, yeah, you've got this. Wow, this is very detailed. And so you have the project conversation, the final project, which is the newsletter. I'm going to take a look at that. I'm pretty sure I looked at this already because you've got a few different formats, and I'm pretty darn sure I gave you an A. Um, and you've got the project focus, and I saw your self-evaluation. So you've got an A on that project for sure. And well, I've got to week 6, and you put the activity which you did, which was evaluate Magic School. Probably could have done something unique, but that's okay. Good to evaluate Magic School. Just we'd already looked at it. Get your personal AI project. Okay, so you're now focusing on a prompt bank. Okay, so you've started out that. And you've got a project planning draft. Um, okay, I'm not sure I could ask for anything more. Contributions. And oh my goodness, and you're at week 7 already. I might as well do it. Creative writing planner, day organizer, interactive STEM tutor. Very good. Nice, nice. Very solid reflection. You working on the prompt and the prompt bank and what you learned. That's good reflections. Evidence. Um, so there's your prompt bank. Now, yeah, just worried with not worried, but with prompts, try to make them really detailed or more detailed. Like at least add the you're an expert and the key things that are involved with a prompt. Um, and then you've got the revised. Okay, so you are revising prompts. Okay. And you're doing a very solid reflection. Okay, so quite frankly, this is A plus. This isn't A. I'll put A to A plus because you're missing a few documents, but honestly, this is exceptional work. And thank you, thank you, thank you so much.